Hi, I'm Jessica with Healthy Teaching Kitchen at VA Portland. Today I'm going to make chocolate mousse. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 12 ounces silken tofu, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Today I'm going to be serving the chocolate mousse with fresh raspberries. The first step is to melt the chocolate chips in the microwave. I like to heat the chocolate chips for 30 seconds at a time until the chocolate begins to melt. You want to make sure to stir the chocolate chips to ensure even heating. First, I'm going to add the tofu to the blender. Then I'll add the melted chocolate chips, and finally I'll add the vanilla. Put the lid back on the blender and blend until the ingredients are incorporated and you have a smooth texture. The tofu in this recipe is a good source of protein and other vitamins and minerals like calcium. I'll serve the mousse with fresh raspberries, but you could use any fresh fruit topping you like. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this recipe.